We have been doing our best to be ready for whatever decisions or whatever consequences arise. So whether they vote early, they vote later, they reject it or they approve it, the Senate will do its job.
Pero kasi yung pinag-usapan natin SP last week, you are ready for May 11. But for this week, are you ready kung kanyari po i-transmit?
Yes, we can. We can be ready for that.
SP, pa-discuss lang kami, sorry Pag po ba itinransmit na dito, diretso trial na, pagka-convene, paano pong mangyari?
You see, that is the big difference of the misinterpretation of some people. Ang sinasabi ng Supreme Court, at tama yung Supreme Court sa sinasabi nila na the impeachment itself is yes, forthwith, but within reasonable time. Okay? What do they mean? They mean within reasonable time, yung trial. The trial proper. You cannot forthwith the day it is transmitted. Forthwith, I plan to convene impeachment court. I convene. Pero the trial proper will take some time because may mga preparations yan. We will be sending the impeached official a copy of the articles of impeachment. We will receive it after a number of days and we will ask the prosecution of the impeached official their response. And then we go into pre-trial. And then the trial proper after everything is all set. So, yun yung sinasabi ng Supreme Court na within reasonable time. No? Not the convening. The convening is, as far as the Constitution is concerned, forthwith. And my interpretation is immediately.
So, between the trial and the convening of the impeachment court, how long will be the pre-trial, the submissions, the summons?
It will all depend on the submissions.